Ching tam amatani aikoi ching tam amatani nungsi chana na leiba haibasi mathau yam tai koi si nungsi buduna love, peace and harmony si Manipur si anauba hana sana leiba haibu adigi mingchattu adigi nungai ba nungsi buduna bolaga aikoi si nungsi na leimina si haije.
In filing the nomination today?
I feel great. I'm very happy.
Why you particularly thought about filing the nomination as an independent candidate?
I just want to help people without color.
Okay. So how do you look forward with the coming election? Do you really think that in this highly competitive with the MPF and this Congress as well as out there? So, and the backing of the BJP is also there for the MPF candidate. Will you be in a position to?
I wish all the other candidates, and my prayer is for them, and then all the best to all the candidates, and then let God intervene, and I'll do my best, and we all are friends. Ching tam amatani, aikoi ching tam amatani nungsi chana na leiba haibasi mathau yam tai. Koi si nungsi buduna love, peace and harmony si Manipur si anauba hana sana leiba haibu adigi mingchattu adigi nungai ba nungsi buduna bolaga aikoi si nungsi na leimina si haije.
What will be your first mandate you see once if you are being elected? What you are going to do? What will be the priority of your work?
I work for youth, women empowerment, tourism, art and culture, and sports.
Basically, finally, we mentioned something about this because now many people have been demanding for the ST. And you see, this has been the question that has been taking place. Supposing if you are being elected, will it be your part for the some objection to that?
Let the law take its own course, and then I respect the law, and then we have to join our hands together, and then that love should not, bring hinder. If there is love, then everything is fine, and the solution is there. So I respect the law. Let the law take its own course.